Imagine you are building a house and you need to hire a contractor to do some plumbing work. You are relying on them to do their job correctly. But what if they mess up? That's kind of like using external contracts and smart contracts. When your smart contracts calls a function on another contract, you are relying on that external contract to behave as expected. But just like the plumber, they could have bugs, be malicious, or even change their code later, causing problems for your contract. So what should every smart contract developer check before relying on an external contract? First, verify the code of the external contract. Make sure it's been audited and that the code matches what you expect. You can use tools like Etherscan to check the bytecode and see if it's been tampered with. Next, use interfaces to limit your interactions with the external contract. This helps ensure that only the functions you need are called and that the external contract can't do anything unexpected. Finally, handle errors gracefully. If the external contract fails, your contract should be able to handle it without crashing. You can use low-level calls like call, delegate call, or static call to have more control over the interaction and handle failures. Remember, external contracts can be a powerful tool, but they also introduce risks. By taking these precautions, you can make your smart contracts more secure and reliable.